This is an intelligent automatic voice broadcast function. After turning on the universal meter and leveling the wires, it can directly voice broadcast the temperature measurement result.
The alternating current is only 0.6662 amperes. The voltage of the AC vibration effect is 220.9 volts. It exceeded 12¼ minutes.
It can also measure
I
capacitance.
can't reach that.
Measure the resistance.
122.7.
Measure the continuity of the electrical conduit. If it's continuous, there will be a beeping sound. Discontinued circuits will have no response. The tool can differentiate between phase and neutral wires without stripping the insulation. It accurately detects breakpoints within the circuit. It has an auxiliary lighting function and can turn off automatically. With this device, repairs become much easier.